Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix ERR connection timeout. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is that you need to check your internet connection and ensure that your internet is working and is stable. Navigate here at the taskbar at the bottom right side of that. You can see your Wi-Fi icon. Click on it. Click for this forward arrow key and make sure that you are connected. Okay, if it marks here no internet, then try to connect to another device that is accessible to you, and then try to connect to another device and check if the error has been resolved. Yet if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, and that is to try to reload the page. So sometimes it's a temporary glitch, so just refreshing the page can work. So try to reload it. Okay, press Control R in your keyboard, and that way you'll be able to reload it and check if the error has been resolved. Yet if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, and that is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Simply proceed to your Chrome, make a right click, and here click for open so that you can enter. Now expand it first. Navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Click on it. Scroll down, click for settings. And from here, please proceed to the left pane, find for privacy and security. Under privacy and security section, you can find delete browsing data. Mark all of the boxes here checked and click for delete data. Wait for some time, wait for this to be done. And once done, close the window, okay, and check if the error has been fixed. Yet if not, then we need to move on to the next solution. And this time, you need to create a new tab again, and then from here, proceed to the top right corner again. And this time you need to go with new incognito window. So try using an incognito window. So this can help determine if a browser extension is the cause. If it's working incognito, clear your cache and cookies. So since we have cleared the cache and cookies, then we need to disable the extensions one by one. So simply bring a new tab again. This time you need to navigate here at the three dots and then proceed to the new window. Okay. And this time proceed here at the top at the three dots again. Scroll down, find for settings. And from that, you need to navigate to the left side again. Click for extensions. And at the extensions, you need to disable your extensions one by one so that you can identify what specific extensions had caused the issue. So click for removed here or simply turn off the switch here one by one so that you can identify what extensions caused the error. Okay? However, if the error still persists, then we need to move on to the next solution. And that is this time we need to disable the firewall or antivirus temporarily. So it might be blocking the connection. So from that, proceed here at the button search bar, type for panel. Once you've typed that, you can find here a best matched. Navigate to the right side, click for open so that you can continue on opening the control panel window. After that, change the view first like this. Proceed to view by. Click on this down arrow key. Select for large icons. Once done, proceed to the fourth column. You can find there Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Navigate to the left pane. Click for Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Turn this off. Click for OK. Once done, go back to your browser and check if the error has been resolved. Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.